Hello everybody, thank you for your interest on this live workshop entitled Polymeric Materials for Energetic Applications. So my name is Andrea Pucci. Let me introduce myself, a few words about myself. I received my degree in chemistry in 1999 and PhD in 2003 in chemical science at the University of Pisa. In particular, I am currently a research assistant and a contract professor of chemistry and nanotechnology at the University of Pisa. My research interests focus on the preparation of functional macromolecules, including the development of field-responsive thermoplastic materials, ion-conductive polymers for fuel cells, and polymeric dispersant for lubricants. This workshop in particular consists of 24 hours of lecture and 10 hours of tutorials, and will be basically divided into main parts. The first, devoted to the fundamentals of polymeric materials, with special emphasis on some definition, classification, structure of monomers and polymers, and polymer chemistry, physics, and the relation between structure and thermomechanical properties of materials are also well described. In the second part, the course will provide students with a general knowledge of the importance of physical and chemical properties of materials as applied in energy generation and storage, and an understanding of the effect of chemistry, material structure on device performance, and efficiency in energy production. But why polymers? Why polymers are so important? Polymer science has had a major impact on the way we live. It is difficult to find an aspect of our lives that is not affected by polymers. So, with further advantage and understanding of polymers and the relation between structure and properties, and with new applications being researched, there is no reason to believe that the revolution provided by polymer will stop anytime soon. Polymers can be thermoplastic, elastomer, thermosets, allowing the preparation of a huge number of objects around real life. Why energy? Why polymers for energy? Why energy applications are so important today? This is for example, the energy demand that is still increasing. On the left, world energy consumption, and in particular on the right, you can see the prediction that is still growing very much. So we are still looking for a real alternative and a renewable source of energy. So polymers for energy application. General of energy, mainly due to fuel cells, for example, photovoltaics, and storage of energy mainly due by batteries. So the second part of the course deals with those particular arguments. For example, polymer electrolyte for fuel cells based on ionic exchange membranes, also known as polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cells, are a type of fuel cell being developed for transport application, as well for stationary fuel cell application and portable application. Their distinguishing features include low temperature pressure range from about 50 to 100 degrees Celsius and a special polymer electrolyte membrane. This is an example of a principle. On the left, you can see the main principle of an polymer electrolyzer. On the right, of a fuel cell. And here I reported some polymeric materials able to constitute a particular fuel cell, polymer electrolyte fuel cell with proton conduction, thanks to the presence of the sulfonic acid moieties linked to the macromolecular chain of the polymer. So, participants of this course will take away tools and resources need to interact with material scientists, researcher, engineer for the development of advanced and innovative polymeric device to be applied in the field of new alternative and renewable energy sources. So I'm looking forward to see you to attend this workshop.